Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off the A71 and removing the SIM tray. This prevents short circuits. Once done, heat the rear glass edges with a heat pad or hair dryer for 1 to 2 minutes to soften adhesive. 60 to 70 degrees Celsius is ideal. Then attach a suction cup and insert a thin pick to create a gap. Keep the pick shallow to avoid flex cable damage. Continue around the perimeter in small increments so the glass lifts evenly and you maintain control. After removing the midframe screws and lifting the midframe, you must disconnect the battery connector first. This isolates power and prevents shorts while you work on other parts. Once disconnected, remove any brackets and detach cables only as needed, label or photograph placements. To extract the battery, slide a plastic pry tool under the bottom edge and stretch the adhesive strips slowly. If strips break, apply isopropyl alcohol to soften adhesive. Do not bend or puncture the battery. That's why steady, even force matters. Install the new OEM battery in the same orientation and reattach the connector. You should test power and boot the phone before sealing the rear glass so you can fix issues without reopening. Once confirmed, apply replacement adhesive or pre-cut strips, seat the rear glass, and reassemble the midframe and screws in reverse order. If the phone does not boot, make sure all flex connectors are fully seated and the battery connector is secure. That single loose cable is the most common failure point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.